Hello, my name is Margie McHugh and I co-direct MPI's National Center on Immigrant Integration Policy. It gives all of us at MPI great pleasure to be able to award one of the 2013 Pluribus Unum prizes to the Massachusetts Immigrant and Refugee Advocacy Coalition, also known as the MIRA Coalition. While the MIRA Coalition has worked for several decades as a policy, advocacy, and training organization for immigrant and refugee communities in Massachusetts, its work over the past decade to identify integration issues and bring together a wide range of partners within the state to address them is the basis for their receiving the Pluribus Unum Prize. Most recently, it has established an integration institute that is bringing together partners from immigrant communities, government agencies, academia, and the private sector to coordinate smarter, stronger, and larger scale efforts on immigrant integration. The Prizes Program's Advisory Board was particularly impressed with how deeply MIRA's work and its partnership with the Governor's Office had affected policies and practices across nearly all state agencies.
The Integration Institute, like MIRA, more generally works effectively and works tirelessly at local, state, and even national levels. And to my mind, as somebody who's watched this for a few years, I think that there are few organizations that have used so many strategies so effectively to elevate the issue of immigrant integration. They've done it through their stewardship of the National Immigrant Integration Conference, the 4th conference, I believe it was. They've done it through their advocacy for Massachusetts' influential New Americans agenda, all 131 recommendations of it. And they've done it through its innovative Immigrant Integration Institute, for which we give you the award today.
Our institute, as you heard, was founded in 2011 with the support of the Boston Foundation and draws on MIRA's long-standing strength in both policy analysis and advocacy to combine a think tank function with on-the-ground integration projects and institutional partnership. While enhancing awareness of the contribution of immigrants in our state and our nation, the Institute also seeks to directly shape integration programs and policies at the state and local level. For 27 years now, MIRA has been promoting immigrant integration and does the work through policy analysis and advocacy, institutional organizing, leadership training and legal training, and strategic communications work. We are an umbrella agency with over 140 organizational members, very diverse, working together to pushing a progressive agenda forward. I'm proud to say that we have played a key role in securing over $43 million in immigrant integration at the state level for programs that include ESOL and ABE programs, workforce training, citizenship, domestic violence, and we work very closely in coalition with our members. And based on this expertise and this big responsibility that we have to really secure resources for the betterment of us all and better inclusion of immigrants in the workforce, the Institute expands on this area.
We're really going out into the community and we're engaging with stakeholders and organizations and both current and new partners who we've never engaged with. So this is, for us, it's really just building on MIRA's own tradition of institutional organizing, community outreach, but reaching to a bigger community, and not just community-based organizations, but now reaching up to and connecting at the state level, bringing state agencies in direct relationship to community bodies around a set of common issues, in this case, the challenges facing immigrant and refugee families and children in that setting. I think in many ways it sort of recommitted me to the value of our model, to sort of seeing what's good about our model, to seeing some of the things I really want to sort of make work better about our model, and to not just making us better, but working more effectively with all the partners, both within the MIRA Coalition and outside, and making the process work better. What I always like to say is that even though as an integration institute our focus is on the linguistic, civic, and economic integration of immigrants, what we're really about is integrating everything else, integrating the other parts of the system, bringing the state actors together with the local actors, bringing nonprofits together with the private sector, bringing all the systems in which we all live, immigrants, native-born alike, knitting together those disconnected elements of the system, and is really sort of what makes our work interesting.
It's very inspiring to us to have the support of the experts on integration and look at our work and appreciate our work. So to us, as an inspiration, it means more work, and being able to model the best practices of immigrant integration, to forge policies that improve on immigrant integration, and really providing a leading role into making Massachusetts a model for the country.